All right, from the upstairs, let's go down to the basement and see what's going on down here. We've done some demolition and probably should be wearing a gas mask down here because there's lots of smells. And you can see all these leaves that are in here. We've pulled up some of the floor system. There's not a tree near here. This is actually in the middle of the house. So you can imagine what that is. I'll tell you exactly what it is. That's a rat's nest. We found several of these underneath the floor system. So what they did is they basically took these and framed right next to the dirt or right next to the concrete, which created this nice environment for these critters to create a home. So coming off this landing, we have stairs coming down to the next level, and down from there, you can see that they even have another drop before you go to the back door. Now we've pulled back some of these floor systems, and I really don't know what they're thinking here. I know they're trying to level everything out, but we have floor systems on top of floor systems. I've seen flooring on top of flooring, but as you can see down here, I've got this floor system. I've got another floor system behind that, and below that, we either have dirt or concrete, depending on what part of the basement that we're in. So currently stairs come down this way, hit a landing, and then you basically come back this way. This is open. We're going to add a bedroom over here. But with the new space and the new design, what we're going to do is have the stairs dump right into the flex space, which is going to land just about this point right here. So all the area behind the stairs, that's going to become flex space. And where the stairs are now, you can have a small set of stairs coming up to this landing, and that's going to give you access to the mechanical room from the other space. Now we are considering possibly taking out some of this concrete and bringing this a little bit further back. So there might be a possibility that we can eliminate these stairs over here and this just becomes a hallway going into the mechanical room. We hope that you enjoyed this leg of the tour. Be sure to check out the other areas of the house and follow us on hashtag 1920s makeover ATL. Thanks again and see you guys in the next room.